The internet says online earning is easier than 9 to 5. So, why does it feel like 10 times harder? I used to think working online will mean freedom, flexible hours, no boss, and no pressure. But once I actually started trying to earn money online, I realized something nobody is talking about. It is not easy. It is very different and also pretty difficult. So in this video I honestly wanted to talk about why online earning feels harder than the regular 9 to 5, especially as a beginner. One of the things which I think is the major factor is no structure. In 9 to 5 somebody else decide when you work, when you take a leave, what you work on, and when that particular work is completed. However, online you have to create a structure for yourself, and when you don't, your brain feels unfinished, like I have not completed the tasks for today. And in a job, if you are having a bad day per se, you still get paid. And online earning does not work like that. And honestly, you can put up hours and days of work, days of efforts, and still see no results, and that kinda messes you up a little, and it really messes up with your motivation. I know it's been messing up with me. There are too many options: freelancing, content, AI, digital products, affiliated marketing. Online earning is giving you too many options, and having so much options leads to decision fatigue, because everything feels possible. Choosing one thing becomes exhausted for you. In a job, if something goes wrong, you can blame the system, you can blame the boss, you can blame your manager, you can just say like, this company is useless, I'm gonna leave. But while trying to earn money online, everything feels personal. If I'm doing something and it does not lead to me making money, it leads to me thinking that I am not enough. Low views feel like a personal failure. No sale feel like you are the problem. And the progress, I can't even really see whatever progress I'm making. In 9 to 5, it's visible. You have hours, whatever hours you work in, you get salary. In online earning, I don't know, progress is quiet or progress is uh, very slow or whatever, because I think progress is really invisible. You learn, you improve, you build, I get that, but you are doing all this ultimately for the money, right? And you are not getting that immediately. That messes up with your head. Honestly, in my 9 to 5 job, I used to not even pick up calls from office after hours. The time I stepped out of the office, I am not taking anybody's calls. But for online earning, I am pulling all nighters, working 24/7. I'm working way more than I was working in my 9 to 5. And I still feel guilty because I'm not seeing any results. I still feel like I'm not doing enough. And the mental pressure is very, very heavy. I know I'm saying all this now because I am not working, and those of you who must be working would feel like that at least you are not working for somebody else, you're working for yourself. I get that. I don't know. I used to hate my 9 to 5 also. I don't want to go back to it. And online earning feels harder because it requires patience, trust, self motivation, consistency, and there is nobody to give you validation. Because trust me, friends and family at the beginning will always criticize you. Nobody is going to validate whatever you are doing. Everybody is and everybody will be going to criticize you that you have made a right choice. The kinds of videos you are making, do this to improve, do that to improve. Even if they have not even made a single video in their lifetime, everybody has an opinion about how you are working. But on a positive note, harder does not mean worse. It just means that you are building something for yourself. That's why you have no idea how things are done, because you are building something instead of following instructions in a pre-existing company working for somebody else. Setting up anything takes time. You are working for yourself. This is the first stage. That's why it is taking time, and that's why it is hard. If online earning feels hard for you, you are not failing. You are not lazy. You are just early. You are just in your beginner stage. It is okay to feel overwhelmed. That is part of the process. If you're not overwhelmed, you are doing something wrong. A 9 to 5 is hard on your time, but trying to make money online is hard on your mind. Both require efforts in completely different ways. If you are trying to figure out how to make money online without using your sanity, subscribe to my channel. I am sharing the messy middles also, not just the highlights which you see of people succeeding. Also, follow me on Instagram.